What's going on, everybody? Everything credit here. So just pulled the report for this client, and I wanted to show y'all we got just about everything off of Equifax on the first round. And I just wanted to show y'all this because this is one of the reasons I get so much hate, because I get great results. And as far as software goes, everybody uses software. Look at those increases. 157 points on Equifax, 32 on Experian, 69 on TransUnion. Previous report pulled February 27th, re-import April 3rd. So, back to the software thing. All credit repair companies use software. But what we don't do, like Mr. Pinnacle, and God, I'm so tired of hearing about him and talking about him and watching him go psycho, but we don't talk about the software we use and then use it, because he talks shit about Credit Repair Cloud, but every one of his results are coming from Credit Repair Cloud. Don't believe me? Look up Credit Repair Cloud. He's using software just like everybody else. What makes us different than him and everyone else is we don't use the letters inside the software. Why? Because they're just basic templated letters. We create our own letters custom to each and every client. So every letter is different. They're using templated letters just like everybody else. No such fucking thing, excuse my language, as ACAT. It's all just bullshit. Anyways, if y'all have any questions, send me a text message or an email, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope y'all have a great Monday.